got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Before we get started, I just want to apologize for not uploading as frequently. Since I moved down to Florida from Colorado, it has been more or less just hectic. It's been a hassle getting everything set up. But I promise you guys, once everything is set up, once we got, a shop, everything is, dandy, I want to get at least 2 videos a week out. That's my goal, is 2 videos every single week. Is pretty good. I think that'd be a pretty good place for us to be for the channel. I wasn't able to upload last week or on Monday because I was actually up in Colorado for my job. They sent me up to Colorado again, and I just had to take care of some stuff. I really wanted to get some recording when I was there. My friend Fobs with the green boosted D16 that we actually blew up not too long ago. He has a Fatera build now in it, and he's breaking it in. So next time we're up there, we'll be able to see that thing rip. Also, my buddy Rick, the one that we locked VTech in, that motor is running and it is ripping. It's walking GSRs and stuff, so it's pretty cool. He said he got neck and neck with the H22 and he almost got him, but he got him at the last second. So we're gonna go up there, get some of that. Hopefully we can take that car out to Mexico and the boosted Toidle as well. But today we're gonna go ahead and replace the valve stem seals on this D16 head. I'm sure they're probably new. I don't doubt that they're new. When the guy did the head, not sure. I didn't put it together myself, so I don't really know. He decked the head, he did all that, so you would think that he would do it, but I don't really want to take that chance. I don't want to get this motor all the way put back together and then it starts smoking on me. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to go ahead and start with taking off the valve train. Once you take off the valve train, you'll have the cam there, but obviously if you can tell, I already took the cam out. So I'm going to go ahead and get that off, and then I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. Now that that is out of the way, we can go ahead and replace these seals. Here you'll see there's 2 keys right on top of the retainer. What you need to do is make sure the valve doesn't move and this goes down. You can utilize a socket. There's multiple different, they make tools for it as well, but you pretty much be able to get it right off with the socket. When I did work at Toyota, they had a tool for us and it had a magnet inside, which was awesome. So once you hit those keys out, that magnet would just collect it and you wouldn't have to look everywhere for it. But anyways, we don't have that tool, so we're just going to use a plain old socket and a hammer. Alright, so literally all you need to do to get these out is get a socket. This is 11/16. Anything that you're going to see is going to get around that surface, not too far over and not too small. Cover the top of it. Then you want to get yourself an extension, just so you don't bruise the heck out of your fingers if the hammer hits. And all you're going to do is set it right there, and then I'm going to go like this, hit it real hard, and those things are going to go flying. So we'll go do it real fast. All right, now that that is out, you've got to find your keys. All right, the spring is off. Now you're going to see here the actual seal itself. It sits right there on top of the valve. The way you're going to want to replace it, you're going to want to go ahead and take that valve out. So just push it. We're going to pull it up here, just like that, and we're just going to push that valve out. Remember, all valves are seated to their spot. They all have to be put back in their correct order, so I recommend to do so. If not, you're going to have some issues later down the road. Now, to get these valve seals off, you really just need to get a little piece of pliers, or if you have a flathead, it'll go ahead and just pull on out. Alrighty, now that we got that valve seal off, let's go ahead and put the new one in. Easiest way to do it is get a 10mm socket. You can get an extension as well. It conveniently fits right over the top, just like that. You can see, I'll show you on camera. It literally fits right there on top. You can push that down on it so that way you know that it'll seat all the way down. And you don't got to worry about it not being all the way down or, you know, tilted. And it's really easy. Once you get it on there, you'll feel it. You'll feel once you're all the way down. Perfect. And it's on. Take a look at that, guys. Super, super simple. If you want, you can put a little bit of oil on the top of your valve. That way when it goes through, it's not rubbing, you know, metal on the rubber and mess up the new valve seal. So just get a little bit of oil, put it on the valve, and you can slide her through. So we're ready to get everything put back together. If you are doing it by yourself, I recommend just getting a little piece of tape. You can use whatever tape you want. Put it on the top of the retainer where the keys are, and it'll help keep them in place. So just put it right about there. A little piece of tape. You don't want too much over because you don't want it to get stuck in there and can't get a little piece of tape out. That'll burn out anyways. But just like that. And then you're going to grab your spring, put it right there on the top of the spring, and that should keep it in place. So I'm going to put that on there. Then go ahead and grab like a line wrench or just something that you can apply pressure down. These are always going to be the easiest. This way it gives you a little bit of leverage just to push down on it. Another way to do it that I recommend doing, if you have the tools, get 2 vice grips, put it on an extension, and get a socket on top, and literally you can just drive it down like one of those drills or whatever, and it makes it way easier. I don't happen to have here 2 vice grips here at my parents' house, so I'm going to do what we got right now. We are good. Got them valve seals done. My camera died in the process, if you can tell from the last clip. And I went to go have some food, and I just put it on the charger. I had to put up my chair and everything because my mother-in-law has a boat. You guys want to see it? Here you go. It is a 750i. This thing is humongous. I don't know if it looks big on camera, but this thing is a boat. And it's pretty fast. It's pretty cool. But anyways, guys, next video, hopefully the block back from the machine shop and we get that thrown in. If not, I'm sure we'll have something cool for you guys next time. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
You don't got no sauce then, you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.